Hey everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial on JavaScript arrow function. Today we will explore what arrow function are, how they differ from the regular function, and when to use them in your code. So let's dive right now. Simply, we create a normal function, function, function greet. We take argument name and we pass and return. Hello. Name. Okay. First, let's look at the regular function in the JavaScript. Here we have a simple function called greet that return a greeting message. This and we can switch it into the arrow function. We take a const as greet and equal to provide arrow and say hello and name in it, passing name. Now here the same function written using the arrow function. As you can see, arrow function are a shorter syntax for writing function in JavaScript. In fact, they are one of the most popular EX6 feature. Arrow function have a consequence syntax. You don't need the function keyword. And if there only one parameter, you can even omit the parentheses. Also, if the function body is just a single return statement, you can skip the curly braces and then return keyword like that. Let's see an example. Const square is equal to function and pass parameter x and return x into x. Same as if we pass into the arrow function with single parameter, we can write it like that: const square is equal to x, the parameter, and we can create a array function which give x into x. As you can see, we want from 3 lines of the code in the just one line. Now let's explore the key difference between the arrow function and the regular function. One of the most important difference is how arrow function handle the this keyword. In the regular function, we take example const a person is equal to curly braces name, take a name xyz, and we greet the above function, and we pass the parentheses and console dot log and pass this dot name. This refer to the person object. Okay, and we call them person dot greet, and output is greet is different. Okay, we comment this one. Okay, we call two time of this with the arrow function. Okay, there was spelling mistake. Look, it gave the name here. Okay, in the regular function, this refer to the object that calls the function, as we can see in this example. Then we replace it with the arrow function. Okay, then we call here a arrow function, and console this dot name. These do not refer to the person object, and call this dot name. After that, we can call this function again with the arrow function, comment the above one, and look what was the return is undefined. But the arrow function, this doesn't refer to the object. Insist in the inheritance, this from its surrounding context. This is known as the lexical scoping. So when should you use arrow function? They prefer for the scenario where you need a short syntax and don't need to this keyword to refer to an object. They great for the callback function, array method like map, filter, and reducer. For for writing the clear and consequence code, you can use the arrow function. Let's take some example of the array that we call like const number is equal to an array of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we can create a const double, and we can give number number and dot map and create a arrow function with single parameter of n, and we can n into 2. Okay, and console.log the double array and run it, we get the array is doubled. Here is example using an arrow function with the map method to double the number in an array. Notice how much clearer it looks compared to the traditional function syntax. One thing to watch out for, since arrow function doesn't buy their own this, don't use them as method in the object where you really own this. So don't use it in the this component. Okay, we can use only the regular function that we can get the this object value in there. And one thing to watch out for, since arrow function don't bind their own this, don't use them in that arrow in this keyword function. To wrap it up, arrow function are a powerful tool to writing the consistent and the clear JavaScript code, but make sure you understand how they handle this to avoid the common issue. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and how you are ready to use arrow function in your own project. Thank you. Like, share, and subscribe.